Okay, so listen, the question is very simple. So what they're given is they are given a pie chart, is it right? So here the distribution of the students, is it right? So they are appeared in examination, and all of them different institutions. So A, B, C, D is like annum, IITs, like with different institution students are available. So each and every institutions will be represented in different colors and different representation. Okay, A is a full pure white, and E is about somewhat a slight slanting that triangle, like it's different. Okay, so listen to me. The total number of students have got a pass mark is 900, and then the total number of students appeared is 1200. Okay, 1200 is the total appearance. And what the question means, the number of students who got a pass mark in examination from Institute C. So what it means, look at the institution C. So C is given by dark blue, is it right? So 30% is right. So 30% means what? 30 divided by 100, confirm 30%. How many totally get a pass mark is 900, is it right? Because it should not is 1200, because out of 1200 only 900 members get the pass mark. So from the 900 you have to use 30%, because 30% is from the C. So if you get a cancellation of these two, and you will get the 270, is it right? And now, and what percentage the total number of students who appeared from institutes D and E? So look at the D. So they are asking the total number of students. Listen to me. Not they have asked about the pass percentage of D and E. Only the total number of students from institute D and E, and how far C is varying from the total numbers from D and E. Okay, that's only looking the what are the numbers. Okay. So number of students from the D. What is a D actually? So listen here. So this is pass. They are not going for the pass, but they are going for the appear. Because appear only you have to use, because here the total number of students only they are asking, not they are asking the pass percentage. Pass percentage means for the C we have seen here. Okay. So D, how many members? So D is about small cross. Is that right? So here it is 105 degree. So for D, number of students. Okay, number of students is they are given number of 105 degree, right? So degree means what you have to use 105 divided by 360. Okay. So 105 divided by 360, and what you will get. So automatically, if you go for into 100, I hope you will get 480. Okay, I think maybe. So let me check in the calculator. 105 divided by 36. Okay, just a moment, please. I think 105. Yes, divided by 360, and okay, listen here. I think so. It is not about 100 separates, because number of students about 1200 separates. I made a small mistake, so you don't worry about this one. So what you do? Better go this side, and then this is not 100, 1200. Okay. So automatically, if you go 105 with 36 into 1200, means what? This 10 will get cancelled. So 105 with 36 about 2.91 something, and it will be multiplied by 120, and you will get 350. Okay, so it's equal to 350. And now next one, they are asking about the E, is it right? And E means what? Number of students total. It's not about the pass percentage. Students equal to what? So E is represented by small a long crossbar. So here what's the long crossbar? It's about so this is a pass percentage, right? So we have to see this section. So here this section E is like a crossbar. So it is about 39, is that right? 39 degree they have given. 39 degree means it is about 360, and the total number of students is 1200. So 1 minute is equal to, I can cancel 1 0, and you can give 39 by 36. 39 divided by 36, it will be equal to 1.08, and if you multiply by 120, you will get 130. Okay. Now we have to add D and E, because listen here, total number of students appear from D and E. So you have to add D plus E, which is equal to 350 plus 130, which is equal to 480. Is it right? So there, what the question means, in what the number of students from institute C, that means what? Past students. So past students is what percentage? That means what? Number of past students from C is 270. Is it right? 270 past students divided by the total number of D and D, 480. In what percentage means? The percentage you have to find, that is into 100. So if we calculate this one, and automatically you get 270 divided by 48. 270 divided by 48, and which is equal to 5.625. And if you go for multiply by 10, and you will get to 56.25. Is it right? So automatically the answer will be around, which is equal to 56.25, approximately 56. This answer, this is the fill in the blanks question. Okay. Thank you. If there are any doubts, means please comment. Okay. Thank you.